This is 5 on AI. Today is Tuesday, June 20th, 2023, and I'm your host, Kevin Metzger. In today's episode, we'll be talking about ServiceNow's AI integration and Salesforce's AI integration. ServiceNow CEO Bill McDermott recently sat down for an interview to discuss the exciting potential of artificial intelligence in the business world. According to McDermott, AI has the power to revolutionize productivity and help CEOs completely transform their business models. He's not talking about replacing human workers. Instead, he wants AI to help us increase productivity. ServiceNow is at the forefront of this AI revolution with a focus on providing personalized, accurate self-service that can answer any question in plain language. And they're not doing it alone. They've partnered with Nvidia to develop custom language models based on each customer's unique data. McDermott is focusing AI on applications in IT, employee experience, and developer experience. McDermott assures us that ServiceNow has security and compliance covered. The platform is highly secure and each customer retains control over their data. And with a custom architecture and data model, the platform is seamlessly integrated and ready to help businesses of all sizes and industries. On to Salesforce. Salesforce is making waves in the tech world with their new generative AI enterprise, which was announced at its recent AI Day in New York City. CEO Mark Benioff is thrilled about the potential for OpenAI to be one of the fastest growing trends in the enterprise market, but it's not just talk. Salesforce has introduced new monetization models around generative AI, such as their AI Cloud Starter package, which provides licenses, capabilities, and services to customers. Benioff stresses the importance of proper training for companies and their employees to work with data in the new era of generative AI. Corporate playbooks and customer data sets must be architected correctly and to be ready for this new technology. Benioff also touches on the potential for AI to both create and eliminate jobs, citing the example of Gucci expanding their call center capabilities through AI. He also discusses the importance of trust and ethics in AI and the potential for global regulation of AI in the future. Tomorrow we'll talk a little about Google Labs, their generative search, and their workspace AI tools. All right, so that's today's 5 on AI. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Please note all content is produced by Kevin Metzger in collaboration with AI.